How to make your power tools last twice as longer. Power tools are an investment, but like any machine, how you treat them determines how long they'll last. With a few simple habits, you can easily double the lifespan of your tools. Here's how. 1. Keep them clean. Dust and debris are the #1 killers of power tools. After every use, wipe down the tool and clear out vents with a brush or compressed air. Clean tools run cooler and last longer. 2. Don't overwork them. Power tools are designed for specific loads. Forcing a drill through dense material or using a saw beyond its capacity overheats the motor and wears out parts faster. Let the tool do the work and use the right tool for the job. 3. Care for the batteries. For cordless tools, the battery is just as important as the tool itself. Don't fully drain lithium-ion batteries and avoid leaving them on the charger overnight. Store them in a cool, dry place, never in extreme heat or cold. 4. Store them properly. Leaving tools lying around in damp garages or cluttered sheds shortens their life. Keep them in cases, toolboxes, or on racks. Protection from moisture and dust makes a huge difference. 5. Maintain moving parts. Check brushes, bearings, and belts regularly. Replace worn parts early to prevent damage to the motor. A small repair today can save you from buying a new tool tomorrow. 6. Use quality accessories. Cheap bits, dull blades, and knockoff attachments don't just give poor results, they put extra strain on your tool. Invest in good accessories and your tool will thank you. 7. Follow rest cycles. Continuous use without breaks overheats motors. Even professional-grade tools need a pause between heavy jobs. A short cooldown keeps the internal parts healthy. Final tip. Think of your power tools like a car. If you drive it hard, neglect maintenance, and use cheap fuel, it won't last. But with cleaning, care, and smart use, your tools can serve you for years, even twice as long as average. If you're seeing this video for the first time, kindly subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell icon so you get to be notified whenever a new video drops. For more information on power tools, reach us at gz-supplies.com or email us at sales@gz-supplies.com. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next one.